You go first, Captain Bob. You have to fit. It's your boat. Ready, Max? We don't want to miss the boat trip down Rainbow River. Just a sec. Maybe this'll work. Put him in the middle where it's bigger. Cool, he fits. Ready for Dragonland? Ready. I wish with all my heart to fly with dragons in a land apart.
Whoa!
Watch out! It's Emmy!
And Max!
Hi, everybody! Wow! Cool sailboat, Ord!
Thanks, buddy!
Ord!
Oops! I owe you a big hug! And Liz?
Oh! Wow! What are they? They're crystals. What's this empty space for, Cassie? I'm still looking for a rainbow crystal. It's really special because it has all the colors of the rainbow in one crystal. I'd love one. Me too. That's why we're all going to Rainbow Canyon.
Everybody ready?
What's the boat's name? Since I love sailing, we should name it the Love Boat. Maybe, but, don't you think we should name the boat after Ord, since it's his?
All aboard the Ord! Hey, that rhymes!
The Ord it is. Don't forget the life jackets.
I never leave home without him.
We're off!
Can we do that again? What a lovely view up here.
And what a big mess down there. Ooh, let's start cleaning.
Hey, Zachy, look what I made. Oops. Sorry. What's wrong with Ord?
I ruined everything! I'm too big for my own boat!
You're not too big. You're just, not little.
Why do I have to be so big? I'm too big to go sailing!
No, you're not, Ord. You can do it.
Ready? 1, 2,
3! It's still a beautiful boat, Ord. We'll find another way to sail. Definitely. Remember when Captain Bob didn't fit in your toy boat? Yeah, Ord. Sit in the middle of the boat. It's bigger there.
Really? I'm still a little squished. No, a little more. Yes. Here we go. I can fit. I did it. I did it. I guess I didn't do it.
Well, you almost did it.
I'm sorry, everybody. I guess you should look for rainbow crystals without me.
But we don't want to go without you. Don't give up, Ord. We'll figure out a way to help.
why don't we fly over the river?
Because you can't see crystals from the air.
And it's so much fun to sail. The wind in your face and water splashing all around. Woo! Just thinking about it gives me dragon bumps.
Thinking about it gives me a chill. Cold.
Maybe somebody else can take you sailing. Someone less big.
Ord, the problem isn't that you're too big. The boat was just too small. Really small.
Yeah, we should have built a bigger boat.
A bigger boat? Great idea, Ord.
It is, isn't it?
Definitely.
All aboard the bigger, better Ord. Ready or not, here I come.
Why aren't we moving? Somebody turn on the boat. We need a strong wind to get us going.
One strong wind coming up.
Remember to look for rainbow crystals. If you see anything shining in the water, just yell out.
I see me.
Hello, me.
Careful, Wheezy. You'll scare the fish. There! Told you!
Look. Can we pick some of the flowers? I don't think you want those. They're very loud colors.
Wow, I see what you mean.
Hey, Ord. What's that?
What?
Got you? Whoa! What's going on?
Oops. Sorry.
I knew we should have built lifeboats. I'm so dizzy.
Love it!
We're going the wrong way. Cassie, where are we? I don't know. But that certainly doesn't look like Rainbow Canyon. Nothing's where it's supposed to be.
You mean we're lost? Oh, what else could go wrong?
Well, we're heading into a dark.
Dirty cave! Oh!
Are we in trouble, Emmy?
This is all my fault.
Don't worry, Ord. We'll get out of this.
What's that noise?
It sounds like a fountain. Only a lot louder.
Come on, Zachy. Let's go see where we are.
Oh my!
Oh, this isn't good. We're headed straight for a big waterfall. Come on, we have to fly out of here.
What do we do now?
Panic!
We just need to plug that hole so the boat can't get through. That's an awfully big hole. We don't have anything that big.
I'm the biggest thing in this boat. Wait. Maybe I could do it. I think I can. I can plug up the hole and stop all that really fast, scary water from running over the waterfall. I can't do it,
Ord.
but I gotta try.
It's working. Ord's blocking the end of the tunnel so nothing can go over the waterfall.
Hurry! Pull the boat out of here! Thanks, everybody.
So, here we are, back where we started on Rainbow River, and not one rainbow crystal to show for it.
Oh, well. Maybe one day we'll find the prettiest rainbow crystals in the whole river. Just like those.
Rainbow crystals! Ord, you found them! I can't move it.
Wait, I can.
You're the biggest and the best, Ord. Yeah, without you, we wouldn't have any rainbow crystals.
And we would have fallen down that big, scary waterfall.
I don't even want to think about it.
You know what? I like being big.
Ord, your badge! It's glowing! I wish to use this ride to go back home until next time. Is Captain Bob ready to sail again? Yep, with all his sailors. You're gonna need a really big boat for all those toys. I know, you're sitting on it.